New equipment has arrived. It is the ceramic keycaps that I have been waiting for a long time. Spraying water cracks. The cracks on each key are unique. There are also cracks on the sides, and the performance is cleared in 1 second. Who can't say it is beautiful after seeing it? Look at the luster of the ceramic. Everyone take a look. It is so beautiful with the light transmitting effect. It feels cool to the touch. It is silky and refreshing. It makes you feel refreshed. High-strength alumina, ceramic material, is durable and not easy to break. Plus the smooth glaze. It can be cleaned by just wiping it when it gets dirty. With the ceramic keycaps, we can also play high-end games.